Barbara Robinson is vaccinated but her husband, Keith, is not. The mobile couple is hoping to go cruising again, but confusion about how that may roll out abounds. Will the Robinsons be required to show a proof of their COVID-19 vaccination status before getting on board? And if Keith remains unvaccinated, will he be told to go home? I feel that my health is private, and no company can inquire about my health to determine my ability to work or vacation, said Keith Robinson, 54. I feel that the CDC is overstepping in concern to the cruise industry. Alabama legislation banning so-called vaccine passports likely won't help Robinson or anyone cruising out of Mobile. The bill's sponsor, State Senator Arthur Orr, R. Decatur, told AL.com this week that he was informed that SB 267 does not pre-empt the federal regulations by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Federal Admiralty law also requires cruise ship owners and operators to exercise reasonable care to its passengers, which remains a focal point on the cruising industry following coronavirus outbreaks aboard ships during the onset of the pandemic in early 2020. Alabama Governor Kay Ivey has yet to sign the legislation that was approved by the Alabama legislature on Monday. But in next-door Florida, a similar new law signed by Republican Ron DeSantis is stirring a dispute over federalism's reach and whether the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention should relent to the wishes of state lawmakers. The Florida dispute has also gone to court, and at least one cruise line is threatening to pull its vessels out of the Sunshine State. In Mobile, the state's only cruise industry presence, officials are confident that Carnival Cruise Line will not require proof of vaccinations once cruising resumes. They are referring to an interview from the company's CEO Christine Duffy, who told NBC nightly news host Lester Holt on Monday that she has concerns the cruising industry is being singled out by the CDC. There's no mandate for any other business to have that requirement, Duffy said during the interview. She said the company is encouraging everyone to get a vaccine but added that, "We don't want to be treated differently than any other part of travel tourism, entertainment or society." Children under age 12 are also not yet eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine, and Duffy said they are a big part of the cruise experience in a family vacation during the summer. She said the CDC's current protocols would prohibit cruise ships from having kids under 12 on board. David Clark, president and CEO with Visit Mobile, said he believes Mobile has a good chance to have cruising resume sooner than later, and that the city and cruises have to hang tight while the issue continues to unfold. He said the CDC's abrupt ruling last week that vaccinated people do not need to wear masks in most settings portends changes the agency might consider for cruise ships.